Quattroporte literally translates to four doors in Italian, and this big bruiser serves as the larger, more expensive big sibling to the Ghibli in Maserati's lineup of sedans. The current gen model has been around since 2013, and Maserati issued a mid-cycle update for 2021. There are no changes this year. The Quattroporte is a riot in the handling department, too. If you ever decide to explore the limits of your six-figure luxury car, it's what we called banana peel driftable. At times, if you turn off the traction control and get on the throttle, inside, the infotainment system that came with the 2021 refresh properly modernizes the cabin with a crisp display and intuitive software. Yes, there are some Chrysler-grade plastics, but most of the materials are high quality. Regardless of the variant, every Quattroporte features a Ferrari-built engine under the hood. An 8-speed automatic is the only cogswapper available, and although the GT and Trofeo are RWD only, the mid-level Medina is offered with AWD. The Quattroporte has not been tested by the IIHS or the NHTSA. That said, Maserati includes a host of driver assist features on all trims, including adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, automatic emergency braking, and blind spot monitoring.